We never plan for stay here.
Why not? Something wrong with the place?
No, not really. It's just that
What, George?
someone is here.
Someone is here. Who there?
A young lady.
A young lady. Okay, come back, we can meet her. Good night, young lady.
Oh, good night, good night. Mr. Connolly, this must be
Genevieve. And you are?
Jenny, this is
Celine Cunningham, couple's girlfriend. And I was just thanking Mr. Connolly for putting me up for a few days because we're experiencing some domestic issues.
yes, she go through some serious issues. Serious.
And as I was explaining to Mr. Connolly, I don't want to impose anymore, so I'll find somewhere else to stay.
No worries, baby girl. You're more than welcome to stay, okay?
You see, I told you she's very understanding. So, yes, a couple come up here today?
Yeah, but I told him I need 2 more days just to get my head together before I come home.
You know, I'm going to give him a strong talk, you know. Him not put him on by you.
No, Mr. Connolly, but please talk to him because I'm getting very afraid. And when he shouts, I don't know what to do with myself. Mr. Connolly, go and talk to him today. Please.
Don't worry. I will definitely talk to him. Jen, you saw what I'm talking about? That is why she out here. As a matter of fact, we will both talk to him. Right, Jen?
Yeah.
And don't forget, bolt all the doors and the windows. And I go and tell him he's not welcome until you ready for receive him. Okay? Tell her goodbye, Jen.
Night, baby girl. Take care of yourself.
You too.
Say names. Well, look.
Fresh and clean again. Thanks very much, yeah.
Hopefully. Yeah. Come on, I see them in Jenna.
So, babe, say from couple?
You know, I'm not hear from him yet. But me reach out to him and I tell him to get to me as fast as possible. I really need to talk to him, you see?
Need to talk to him because this domestic violence thing is really too go feet, you know, because put him on for door?
Not yet as far as what she tell me. But it don't take nothing for verbal abuse become physical abuse.
That is true, and you know, so once that starts, you know, babes, it's not going to stop. Because the whole time saying used to say first a mistake, second a accident, and third a habit. But for me, one time a habit.
That means that. I mean, really not going to support no man we are around me. We are indulging in them things. This slap a whole thing, me not depend.
Babes, no, so like how they write you something, I just pass one at the bar around now. And the other black come there tell you about and check on it here.
You know it's a good idea. I love that. Yeah, man. Cause a long time we have it on the back burner. You see? Babe, just give me a second, yeah? Yo, Kappa, you hear what I say? See, as soon as you get this, knock me here. Because I need your urgent assistance for the matter. You hear me, that, General? Manager.